Oh, they're double sprinting.
Cut him off, Mason. That's not a kick. That is not a kick. 5-5.
Oh, you guys have to jump up for me, boys. Brothers. They had the height advantage there, huh? Nice, dude.
Oh, go get it. Good block.
Yeah.
That's it, George.
Nice, George.
Go, look up.
Go.
Good, Logan. Oh.
Sloppy there.
I like Logan's energy today. All right, good. Grant's back in. He's stalled.
Bravo.
What?
What? You fell into him. That was a stupid call. Logan's on fire right now.
That's it, Brody.
We were actually beating him down the court. We got
3.
Hey, that's a foul. Rebound. Come on, Grant. Come on, Grant. Good D.
Nope, that's ours. That should be ours. Yep. Good job.
Nice D.
3 offensive rebounds.
That's always good.
Yep. You did go right back up with it too. Just didn't quite land.
Oh, double dribble.
Nice. Who's throwing Houston right now? Come on, Grant.
That's a foul. He's on the line. Good job. Good job, ref. Black ball. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Oh. That's it, Grant. Stay with it.
Come on, get down there.
Shooter, 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 shooter. What? Come on, Brody, get through that.
Don't let the double foul throw you off, boys. Rebound, boys, rebound!
That's ours. That's ours.
I should have told him I need his defensive rebounds, too.
Ah, that's it, George.
Oh, George! No!
What?
Come on, let him play! Good, Brody! We're about to start going to the line here.
That should not have been a jump
So
ball.
we have now 4 fouls to 1.
Watch it, watch it. Huh? Follow your shot. I can't believe that went in. Trap him, trap him,
Good,
trap him.
nice D, nice D!
Ah, Brody.
Hey, Green makes fouls too! It's not at this left, this age. They start roughing to the score.
All right, 44's got 2. Yep, take it to him right away. Get up. Come on, Braxton.
That's not a jump? That's not a jump ball?
Right, right. He's pushing
Oh,
him.
come on.
Jeez.
He literally hit him.
Had to foul him 3 times.
So they have, you guys have 3 fouls now over there on the scoreboard.
No, that's 2. Get it, Aiden.
Go, Aiden! Oh, he moved!
Are you watching the game?
Come on! He just pushed him in the back! But he did.
Take it at him.
Nice!
Alex, move.
Move, Alex! Oh, guys, come on, fight for it! Let's not give up.
That's it, Aiden. No!
Good stuff. We're never.
Oh my God. Get up and get it. That's it, Braxton.
Set many screens.
Oh. Yeah, not a good shot. We were up by 10 at the end of the first, I think.
He's going to go here with it.
Go get him, Brody. Go get him, Brody. Go get him. Oh. That's 3. He can take him. He can drive every time. Where's Mark Yoakum? You gotta keep your spot, Aiden. Keep your spot.
Rebound! Oh, guys, come on.
Shooting 2. Coach just called a timeout. They didn't give it to him.
Why do we have a guy over here? I'm telling you, these refs every time when these games get close, it's like he refs to the score.
Yeah, but it's not. The score's not that far out. They're just not. That guy stinks as a ref.
It was 21. They were at 9 a minute ago.
I know, but this guy stinks as a ref.
I know he does.
Oh.
Come on. That's not a jump ball? Good D, come on, stay on him. No.
Shooter, you can shoot.